This is the last video that I'm ever gonna post on the channel. IT performance is where I started. And as sad as it may be, I think it's time to move on. But before I go, I just wanted to take a little bit of time out to be completely honest with you guys. I didn't give this channel the attention that it deserved. I never treated YouTube like a job. I just thought, I'm just gonna post videos and expect people to wanna watch. I never had a schedule. I never had a plan. A lot of the videos that I was posting, I never even really watched them beginning to the end. And for some reason, all the comments that I received, I never really took seriously. So people telling me to fix the audio, whatever, all the suggestions, I guess I just thought it was just haters. And now looking back, that was a mistake. I guess I thought that having good intentions was enough and it would bring in viewers and have them stick around. But I was severely mistaken. If you want people to care about something, you better care about that thing before you ask anyone else to care about it. It makes an enormous amount of sense to me now, and I guess it always kind of did. I don't know what I was thinking. I really don't. And for that, I'm truly sorry. But I'm not that guy anymore. I recently quit my job. I got a 9-month-old son that I love more than anything else in the world. And besides being a great dad and a great husband, I'm gonna dedicate all my time to building something real. And that something is Objective Garage. It's a new channel, a new mission, and I'll still be doing the things that I love. Building cars, telling stories, and sharing the process. But this time, with 1,000,000% more focus. I've learned how to plan content, how to edit in a way that actually keeps people watching, and this time, I'm introducing something new. It's something that I've always wanted to do, but honestly, I've never had the guts to try. If you want to know what that is, watch the first video on Objective Garage. It drops in exactly 1 week from today. I'll always be proud of this chapter, but it's time to move on. With clarity, with purpose, and with the belief that this next chapter will be my best one yet. Subscribe to Objective Garage and follow along on socials. Same guy, same heart, same love for cars. Just a whole new level of intention. And yes, if you're following the GTO build, the series will continue over on the new channel, but this time it'll have more focus, more details, better editing, and just overall more purpose. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you on the other side.